Exercise 4.4. Question. Construct a matrix A of elements Aij, order 3 by 2, that is 3 rows, 2 columns, whose elements Aij are given by. Let us see first problem. Element Aij is equal to I minus j bracket square divided by 5 minus I. Relation between elements as per the positions. Second problem, Aij value is obtained by I minus 3 times j. To construct a matrix A, order 3 by 2. Let us see first matrix A of order 3 by 2. 3 rows, 2 columns. 3 rows, 2 columns. Elements positions A11, A12. Next row A21, A22. Third row A31, A32. So A, I, J. Value for I and J you have to substitute in this relation. First one relation is Aij, elements I minus j bracket square divided by 5 minus I. To get values for all these elements as per the position of elements, substitute value for I and j. To get first value for A11, substitute here I equal to 1, j equal to 1. So 1 minus 1 divided by 5 minus 1. 1 minus 1, 0, 0 square 0. Calculation is obtained. 0 divided by 4, that is 0. Value for first element A11 is getting 0. Next element A12. I is equal to 1 and j is equal to 2. 1 minus 2 bracket square divided by 5 minus 1. 1 minus 2 bracket square, that is minus 1 square divided by 5 minus 1 is 4. Minus 1 square, that is 1 divided by 4. Next element here in the second row, first column, that is A21. For A21, value for I is 2, j is 1. 2 minus 1 bracket square divided by 5 minus 2. 2 minus 1, difference is of 1. 5 minus 2, difference is 3. So 1 square divided by 3, calculation value is obtained 1 by 3. To obtain next element A22, substitute value for I is equal to 2, j is equal to also 2. We get 2 minus 2 bracket square divided by 5 minus 2. 2 minus 2 difference 0, 5 minus 2 difference 3, 0 square divided by 3, that is 0. Next element from third row A31. A31 is equal to I value 3, j value is 1. So 3 minus 1 square divided by 5 minus 3. Difference 3 minus 1, 2, 5 minus 3, also 2. So 2 square divided by 2. Calculation answer is 2. Next last element is remaining, that is A32. Value for I is equal to 3, j is equal to 2. So A32 is equal to 3 minus 2 bracket square upon 5 minus 3. 3 minus 2 difference 1. 5 minus 3 difference is 2. 1 square divided by 2. Calculation answer 1 by 2. These are the elements obtained by this relation, substitute all values in the matrix. So constructed matrix A is obtained here. Elements A11 first 0, A12 1 by 4, A21 value 1 by 3, A22 value 0. Next A31 value 2 and last A32 value half. Required matrix A. Question second here, classify the following matrices as a row, a column, a square, a diagonal, a scalar, a unit, an upper triangular, lower triangular, symmetric or skew symmetric matrix. That is, for given example, you have to identify that matrix is of which particular type. Let us see. First one, matrix is here given. Check which type of this is matrix. Elements below the diagonal all are 0. Hence, this matrix is said to be upper triangular matrix. Next example, second matrix given here to identify which type. Solution.
You
Diagonal elements all are 0 and non-diagonal elements, if you observe, A21, A12 are opposite in sign, same numbers. A31 and A13 are in opposite signs. Next, A23, A32 are also in opposite signs. So this matrix is skew symmetric matrix. Problem third. Matrix given here. Elements are expressed in only one row. This is a row matrix. Next example. Elements, check this. So solution, elements expressed in only one column. Required matrix is a column matrix. Example fifth, type of matrix. Diagonal elements are same. Non-diagonals are 0. Hence, given matrix is a scalar matrix. Next one, check for this matrix. Solution, given matrix, elements above diagonal are 0. Only lower are exist. So it is lower triangular matrix. Next one is matrix. Check here, only diagonal elements are exist and all 9 diagonals are 0. Type of matrix. This is a diagonal matrix. Problem 8. Given matrix order 3 by 3. Check type of matrix here. Answer is a square matrix. It looks like a symmetric matrix if you observe -15, -15, root 34, root 34. But here is the difference, -27 and here given is +27, opposite sign. So it is not a symmetric or skew symmetric. It's just only a square matrix. Next example number 9. Given matrix here. Solution, given matrix is an unit matrix or you can write identity matrix. Let us continue with next problem. Question is, which of the following matrices are singular or non-singular? Matrices, to verify singular or non-singular, they can be determined by finding value of determinant. Simple condition, determinant answer 0, matrix is singular. Determinant answer non-zero, it is non-singular. Check here. Problem given, first one, elements A, B, C, P, Q, R, and third 2A minus P, 2B minus Q, 2C minus R. Solution for this problem, given matrix, to find out its determinant value. So determinant of A is equal to determinant, these elements. I am using property for solving this determinant, applying to change in third row as a third row plus second row. If I add the second row with the third row, minus P minus Q minus R get cancelled with this addition terms P, Q, R. Remaining will be only 2A, 2B and 2C in the third row. After that, take 2 common from third row. After taking 2 common from third row, elements only remaining A, B, C. Now observe third row and first row, both are identical. Determinant property, if any two rows or any two columns are identical, determinant value is always 0. Hence we get 2 times 0, that is 0. Determinant answer 0, that means given matrix is a singular matrix.
Like, comment, and subscribe my channel.